So guys, ituturo natin yung guitar chords ng Yunkai Blue. Apat lang ang chords lang Yunkai guys, yung blue kanta niya. Apat lang, 4 lang. Gumamit kayo dito ng kapo. Lagay nyo sa 4th fret dito. 1, 2, 3, 4 dito. Yung chords niya guys is F, G, C, A minor. Yan lang, pabalik-balik lang yan. May G pwede rin dito guys, yung F, 1, 2, 3, 4. F din yan guys. Pwede din yan F na yan. Try muna natin dito kung mahirapan kayo gumamit ng ganitong F. Pwede yung F gamitin nyo. Try natin ito. Your morning light, I can stand by watching stars. I can make me by, and I stand in the dark. You'd be mine, to mine. I can stand in my own better life this time. Pwede nyo ito yung 1. Pwede yung itong dito na F. Yes. Try natin ito. Your morning light, I can stand watching stars. I can make me bright, and I think that you'd be mine, would you mind? And I find in my own better life, this life. Yun lang guys, 4 lang chords, pabalik-balik lang. Yun lang. F, G, C, A minor.